What's up, guys? Welcome back, and in today's video, me and this guy are going to be doing the Sewers Challenge. If you didn't know, the Sewers Challenge is something that I made up where you get sticks, a flashlight, and a small bag. You have to complete sewers. And every time you complete sewers, you can upgrade one of your items, like stick to a crowbar, flashlight to a glow stick, and small bag, and so on. I'll put the rules in the comments. But, yeah, so first, we need to find where sewers is first, though. Because I think that's going to be a problem. You know, since you have one, I might as well take one, too.
Did you know I speak SpongeBob?
OG what?
I don't know why I called it OG poop.
OG poop? What did you just eat?
I mean, one of the blue mushrooms.
There's mushrooms down here?
Yeah.
Dang, this game got really updated since I last played.
Nah, it was here before.
I would waste all my money, but I have 6 million. What?
Small bomb, remember?
What?
Yeah, small bomb.
I haven't played this game in like a while. Oh, a snail.
My eyes.
Yo, there's a snail.
Yo, dude. Die. Bye. Bye.
Alright. There's a snail. Yo, you're coming with us on our adventure. I'm gonna name him Chubby.
You're coming with us, Chubby, your snail.
Yeah, you're coming with us, Chubby. Our #1 priority now is to get Chubby back safely.
Wait, dude.
This still has bullets in it. Let's take it. Hold on, wait. Let's use our sticks to see if we can get something good.
Yeah.
Like, even an umbrella would be good. Right?
Yeah. Can we get those?
Yeah, I think you can get them. Hold up, I need another stick. Oh, shotgun ammo. Could use this.
Dude, I found the red one.
Huh?
Dude, take this. Eat it. Eat it.
Why?
Just eat it.
Oh, I'm big now.
Yeah.
Hold on, wait. I'm just gonna... Oh, wait, yo. Oh, a pipe. A pipe. A pipe. Look, we... Oh. Dude, wait, take that umbrella. Take that umbrella right there. See anything else that we might need? Oh, research points. Hold up, I'm just gonna take you.
I don't need research points. Yes, I'm big.
I didn't get any.
Become small again.
Alright, let's continue the sewers run. Let's take out... Oh, let's take out
I'm gonna
assist.
red light, green light one more time.
You're gonna kill him one more time. I'm gonna take out the assist. Crap. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have it so I can survive a hit. I forgot. Ouch. Oh. Yo, can you revive me?
I got RPG ammo.
I kind of died. Yo.
Okay, one second.
Kind of died like right on me. I'm like right here.
Ow.
Oh, by the way, we have 3 lives.
Okay.
So
you have 2.
Okay, I have 2. If we die 3 times, then we have to completely restart. We still should try to kill the cyst. Oh wait. Was that really necessary?
Yeah.
Wait, where's my revolver?
I don't know.
Oh crap.
First of all, I was the one who obtained that. Another RPG ammo.
Oh, I forgot. It's on my hip slot.
Alright.
Ouch. Alright, let's see. Drop me something good. Oh. A weapon that can't break. Just like the pipe.
Is it good at mine?
This guy might be safer. Oh, and
You're dead.
I triggered too. Wait, can you revive me again?
You have 2 lives.
I now have 1 life.
I mean 1 life.
I'm so cooked, bro.
You hit me. Why you
Sorry.
hit me? It's okay. swear to God, if I get another RPG ammo.
Oh, a
this
stun
isn't
grenade.
bad.
Oh, another chubbier snow. Taking you with us. No, my bag's full. Hold on, let me see what I have. 2 chubbier snails. Oh wait, I don't need these sticks anymore. I have a pipe.
Yeah, detonate.
Oh, hold on, I'm gonna get these.
Look away. I guess I can use those.
Oh, let's see if we can get a pipe for you.
'Cause I really don't.
I got this. I got more shotgun ammo, so I guess let's hope we can get a shotgun. Oh wait, nothing?
Thankfully, we're not far into sewers.
Wait, you can fire these.
Oh, he's back.
Ouch. Wait, we can use this stuff as ammo. Because it still damages, right? Maybe
Found an
not.
MRE.
Oh, that'll be useful. And you
I already ate it. It tasted bad.
do any of these things actually do damage?
I don't know, but it's not worth a shot. Come on, let's go.
No, not the whoopee cushion. I'm taking the whoopee cushion with me. Umbrella, pipe. Alright, let's keep it.
Come on, dude. I'm very fast.
Hold up.
Oh, so this is what. So this is.
Boom, got him. Oh,
Oh yeah.
finally, something that we can use.
Dude.
Mimic. And bomb. That took so long to explode, I feel like. Hey,
Wait, this is PvP lobby.
ouchie. Hey. I completely missed, bro.
A ray gun.
A heart gun? Seriously? I guess this could be useful. Oh. Hold up, wait, I'm gonna assess what I have. I got this.
Is that goaded?
Yo, that act. It didn't work. Oh, it did work. How did I not die? I thought it was the end for a second, bro. Oh my goodness. And now I have too much revolvers, so. Dang it, I got reloaded. Alright, let's continue now that I almost freaking died. Oh wait, hold up. Research points, even though I think I have my max today. I have the farting double jump. Hold on, wait, do you have a pipe? Yeah, you have a pipe. Oh hey, another pipe. Oh yeah. You want to take a pipe instead? Or is that still good? Oh, a crate. Oh hey. Look, we got this. Yo, this thing freaking gave me the jump scare. Oh, hey, a rocket.
Yo, what's up?
What was Unk aiming for, gang? I have a rocket. You want to take this?
Let's just start heading.
Alright, let's continue on. Is this the way out, or do we come from this way? Oh, yeah, this is the way out, yeah. This is when our umbrellas are gonna come in handy, right? Wait, rocket. This rocket that I dropped, you wanna take it?
No.
Okay. Take my umbrella. Can I? What am I gonna do with Mr. Pipe? Am I going to have to? Oh,
Well, he kind of fell all the way down and hit me in the process. Well, peace.
oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Whee, boom. All right, Mr. Pipe.
Let me store this in my bed.
Okay. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I forgot. No. No. Oh, okay, I'm fine.
Oh, that was smooth.
Whee!
I'm gonna actually.
Oh yeah, I forgot there's two things of this.
Dude,
I don't know where the exit is for this one.
Flashlight's in your hand.
Ah, is it this one?
Yep.
Alright. I heard something. Dude! There's no freaking way.
Just don't look at him. That's how he gets triggered.
Well, hold up, let me slap this guy out. Shoot. Not again. Not again. I have enough shotgun ammo, I think, to kill him.
Oh wait, dude.
I'm gliding away.
No, we can kill Big Worm.
Yes, you can. I've killed him before.
I said we can.
Oh, we can. I thought you said we can't. I don't see him.
Just be aware. He doesn't appear on map. Be careful.
Wait, do we still need our umbrellas? Because I kind of dropped mine to pick up this
I
second.
guess so. Wait, idea. You get that.
I am. Oh, his box went through the wall. I found him. He's right there. Think I can shoot him through the wall. Shoot, run.
Wait. We're safe.
I need to freaking kill him. Oh no, he's not over there anymore.
He's gonna go straight this way.
Oh yes.
My VR will restart soon. Just upload the video to YouTube still.
What?
And I can't join back. I'll have to join back tomorrow.
What? Wait, why?
So yeah.
Why?
What's your YouTube channel's name?
Speedfish 12. Shit.
What?
Speedfish 12.
We upload the video today.
Probably if we finish it. If we finish it, yes, today. Crap, I hate this. Oh.
Whoa.
Why is there just floating ore?
We'll just upload it.
Wait, so we might not be able to finish it? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Why not?
My VR will restart.
Oh, crap. So we gotta hurry up
Back
then.
till tomorrow.
We gotta hurry up then, probably.
I do know what I need.
Oh, crap. Yo, is that a suitcase? Isn't that, like, really rare or something? Crap. Oh. Hey. You still here? He's gone. This is for him. Oh, shit. Okay. Only have one life. Let's not waste it. Can't revive me. Crap. Crowbar? Nah. Could sell the uranium, but I... Crowbar. Pinata sword. Shut up. Yes. Yes! A hook shot. Alright. Final stretch. Bunch of monsters. Hold up, I prefer to be able to see them. Shit. Okay. Shoot. Two angles. Go, 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 go. I did it. Yo, we did it. Let's see what we got. Totally worth it. Trevor Snell. 2 loaded revolvers. Shotgun. Setting off a golden grenade for bro. That's the end of today's video. Like and subscribe if you think we should do another sewers, or maybe some better like forest or lake or the plushy area. I forgot what it's called, the other sewer, the bio lab. Oh yeah, so subscribe. It's free. It helps out a lot. Peace.